कसे आहात सगळे स्टुडंट्स? मस्त मजेत? ठीक आहे. आज आपण सराव संच 2.3 मधील काल काही गणितं पाहिलेली आहेत. तर सराव संच 2.3 मधील जी गणितं राहिलेली आहेत ती आज आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 and in this practice set 2.3 we want to learn problem number 4 and 5. So there is a problem number 4 and 5. They are having the sub questions and that sub questions we want to learn here. So we have started from problem number 4. So whatever it may be. So question number 4 is simplify the following surds. So surd is given that you want to simplify it. So it is given 27. So first I think all the problems were right and then we can solve this problem. So see, first is square root of 27, second is square root of 50, third is square root of 250, fourth is square root of 112, fifth is square root of 168. Okay, so why I say the square root? Because each and every V shape, see in this V shape there is no number, means 2, order is 2. Order is 2 means we want to find out square root of 27. So square root of 27 you want to find out, or you want to simplify the square root of 27. Then we are factorize the 27 such a way that one number square root must be get. Okay, we are factorize the 27 such a way that one number square root must be get. So which is that number? So 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 3s are 27. See, here is no order given, so no order given means order is 2. So there is the order 2, so you want to find out square root of 27. So how can you find out square root of 27? So you are factorize 27 such a way one number square root must be get. So 27, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27. This is the factorization of 27. 9 3s are 27. So square root of 9 that you want to find out. So what will be the square root of 9? Can you know that? Yeah, the square root of 9 is 3. Your answer is correct. So see, this is the square root of 27. So we are factorize the 27 such a way that one number square root must be get. So 9 3s are 27. In that square root of 9 is, you know very well, that is the 3. So we can write answer 3 root 3. So square root of 27 is simplified as 3 root 3. Okay, 3 root 3. So are you understand how can get this? If don't understand, then again explain it. See, square root of 27 that you want to simplify it. So how can you simplify it? So it is simplify very simple method, that you are factorize the 27 such way that one number square root must be get. So which are that numbers that you can get the one number square root? 9 3s are 27. So I am right into the square root sign. 9 3s are 27. So whatever be the square root of 9, so square root of 9 is 3. So here is I write 3. 3 root 3. Is that clear? Then another problem we want to solve. This is the square root of 50. So why I am saying it is the square root of 50? Because in V shape there is no number. So in V shape if there is no number, that means that they are having 2. That means that they are having 2. So that order is 2. So if their order is 2, then we can find out square root of 50. Okay, so square root of 50 you want to find out. So you are factorize the 50 such a way that one number square root must be get. One number square root must be get. So 50 can be factorized. 25 2s are 50. See, 25 2s are 50. Why I am factorized 25 2s are 50? Because 25 square root is 5. Okay, so why I want to find out square root? Because order is 2. So I want to find out square root. So 50, square root of 50 can be factorized as square root of 25 into 2. So we get the square root of 25. Whatever it may be, the square root of 25, 5. So here is we write 5 root 2. 50 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. Why it is square root? Because there is no number in the V shape. That means that they are having order 2. They are having order 2. So we want to find out square root of 50. So we have factorized the 50 such a way one number square root must be get. So 25 into 2. 25 into 2, what you get? 50. So 25 square root is 5. So 5 root 2. Okay. So your answer is 5 root 2. Anyone doubts here? Then another problem. This is the square root of 250 that you want to factorize. So see, it is the square root of 250. Why it is square root of? Because there is no number, means there is not having 2. So you want to find out square root of 250. So you have factorized 250 such a way that one number square root must be get. We have factorized 250 such a way that one number square root must be get. So 25 into 10. So 25 tens are what you get? 250. Okay. This is the 250. That 250 can be factorized as 25 into 10. So why it is factorized 25 into 10? Because one number square root must be get. So in this 25 square root we know. So what is the square root of 25? 5. So you are getting answer 5 root 10. See here, 5 root 10. Are you understand? This is the square root of 50. That is factorized 25 into 10. Why that is factorized 25 into 10? Because you want to find out one number square root. So that 25 square root you can get easily, that is the 5. So here is written 5 root 10. Okay. Then we are going to learn another problem. Here is 112. 112. Okay. So 112 square root you want to find out. I know that why it is square root, because here is order is 2. So square root of 112. So 112 number is factorized such a way that one number square root must be get. So 112 is factorized as 16 into 7. Okay. 16 into 7. So 16 into 7 you are get 112. Okay. So what will be the square root of 16? The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 16 is 4. So you are getting answer 4 root 7. Anyone doubts? See, 112. That square root you want to find out. Why it is square root? Because there is no number given. So order is 2. So you want to find out square root of 112. So 112 is factorized 16 into 7. Okay. So here is I write 16 into 7. Why 112 is factorized 16 into 7? Because one number square root must be get. So 16 square root is 4. So here is write 4 square root 7. Okay. 112, that is factorized 16 into 7. So 16 square root is 4 and this is 7. So 4 root 7. Anyone doubts? Then another number, which is that given 168. 168, that can be simplified. You want to simplify it. For simplifying you must be see the order. So see your order is 2. So here is the order is 2. That means that you want to find out square root of 168. So if you want to find out square root of 168, so you have factorized the 168 such a way that one number square root must be get. So 168 is factorized 4 into 42. See, check it. You are getting 168. 4 2 ja 8. 4 4 ja 16. So you are getting 168. So 4 into 42. 4 into 42. So what will be the square root of 4? So the square root of 4 is 2. So you are getting 2 root 42. Anyone doubts? See, 168. That number you want to simplify. Simplify means you can check the order. So I am check the order, then I get the 2. So what you want to simplify? You want to simplify it as a square root of this number. So square root of number you want to find out. So 168 it factorized such a way that such a two numbers that in two numbers 168 factorized such a way that one number square root must be get, so it is factorized 4 into 42. See, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, so 168. So in 4 into 42, which number square root you can find out? 4. So whatever be the square root of 4, 2. So we get the answer 2 root 42. Okay, such a way that can be get answer simplified 2 root 42. How you get 2? Are you understand? Square root of 4, that is 2, and root 42 remain as it is. Anyone doubts here in the 5 problems? Then we are going to learn problem number 5. The problem number 5 is compare the following pairs of surds. Means what? There are given two numbers. Okay, that two numbers we are compare and find out which number is greater and which number is smaller. That you want to find out. That is called as compare. Okay, are you understand the meaning of compare? Compare means there are given two numbers. In that two numbers you want to find out which number is greater and which number is smaller. So see, the problem number first is given 7 root 2 comma 5 root 3. Second, 2 root 47, 2 root 74. Third, 2 root 7 root 28. Fourth, 5 root 5 7 root 2. Fifth, 4 root 42 9 root 42. 9 root 2. 5 root 3 9. 7 comma 2 root 5. So these are the 7 problems they are given to you, and you want to solve these 7 problems. And after solve this 7 problem, what can you do? After solve this 7 problem, you will find which number is greater and which number is smaller. So I just start to solve problem number 1. So see, this is the problem number 1. 7 is the coefficient. Why the 7 is called a coefficient? Because 7 is multiplying root 2. Okay, this 7 is multiplying root 2. So 7 is a coefficient. 7 into root 2, you get 7 root 2. So that 7 is multiplying root 2. So it is coefficient. 7 is coefficient. What is the order here? Here is nothing given number, so order is 2. Here is nothing given number, so order is 2. So which number order 2? 7 order 2. 7 order 2 means 7 to the. So 7 square, here is the indices is 2. 7 square. So what is the 7 square? 49. So that can be write into the surd sign. Okay, or square root sign. So here is you get 49 into 2 in root given you. Are you understand how can you get 49? See, it is the 7. 7 is the coefficient. 7 into root 2. So what is the root 2 order is here? 2. Order is 2. So 7 square, order is 2, so 7 square. So what is the 7 square? 49. So 49, that is right into the square root sign. Into root 2, that is given, so into root 2. Anyone doubts here? If some of the students are not understand, then I am speaking in Marathi. बघा इथे 7 हा कोएफिशियंट आहे. कोणाचा? रूट 2 चा. कोएफिशियंट आहे म्हणजे काय? कोएफिशियंट आहे म्हणजे 7 ने या रूट 2 ला मल्टिप्लाय केले, बरोबर आहे. मग या रूट 2 ची ऑर्डर किती आहे? इथे ऑर्डर दिलेली नाहीये, म्हणजे किती ऑर्डर? 2 आहे. पण जेवढी ऑर्डर असेल तेवढा इथे जो नंबर असेल त्या नंबरचा इंडायसिस होतो. मग आता ऑर्डर 2 आहे म्हणून या नंबरचा इंडायसिस 2 झाला, म्हणजे 7 स्क्वेअर झालं. मग 7 स्क्वेअर किती झालं? 7 स्क्वेअर 49. So that can be right into square root sign 49. Okay, 49 into already having in square root sign 2. So 49 into root 2. So 49 into 2, you are multiplying this, you get 98. So here is you get square root of 98. Anyone doubts? Anyone doubts here? If having doubt, ask me. 7 is the coefficient, root 2 order is 2. Order is 2, so 7 index is 2. 7 square means 7 square is 49, so it is right in the surds 49 into root 2. So 49 into 2, you are getting root 98. Then 5 coefficient root 3. 5 coefficient root 3. Coefficient root 3. So root 3 is there. But what is the order of this? Order is not given, so order is 2. So order is 2 means 5 square. So 5 square is equal to what? 5 square is equal to 25. So that is right in the square root 25. Are you understand how can you get this square root 25? See, it is the 5. 5 is the coefficient. But root 3, so root 3's order is 2. So order is 2. So we can do the square of 5. So square of 5 is equal to what? 25. So here is right in the search 25, square root of 25 into root 3, into root 3. So square root of 25 into root 3, you get square root of 75. Okay, so here is right square root of 75. Are you understand how can you get 75? 25 3 is 75. So we are getting here 75. So compare, it is square root of 98, it is square root of 75. So order is same. Here is order 2, here is order 2. So how can you know which number is greater? So 98 is greater than 75. So 98 is greater than 75. So 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. See, we are get answer 7 root 2, that is simplified, then you are getting square root of 98. So I write here square root of 98. 5 root 3, that is simplifying, then you get the answer square root of 75. So I write here square root of 75. So square root of 98 is greater than square root of 75. So which number answer you are getting square root of 98? That is 7 root 2. So here is right 7 root 2 is greater than root 75 answer 5 root 3, greater than 5 root 3. Okay, see 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Anyone doubts? If anyone having doubts, then I will explain this problem in Marathi. So see, काय दिले आपल्याला 7 कोएफिशियंट रूट 2 असं दिले. मग आता रूट 2 चा ऑर्डर किती आहे 2. ऑर्डर 2 आहे म्हणून 7 चा इंडायसिस 2 होईल. मग 7 स्क्वेअर होईल. 7 स्क्वेअर किती येईल 49. म्हणून ते स्क्वेअर रूट साइन मध्ये लिहिले 49. आता काहींच्या मनामध्ये शंका असेल स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये का लिहिले, तर आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करता येईल कारण हा नंबर रूट मध्ये आहे, स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये आहे, त्यामुळे याला पण आपण स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये टाकलं तर याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करता येईल आणि किंमत बदलणार नाही कारण हे 49 स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये साइन मध्ये आहे. मग त्याचं जर स्क्वेअर रूट काढलं तर आन्सर किती येईल 7च येईल. बरोबर आहे. म्हणून रूट 2 आहे, याचा इंडायसिस किती आहे 2 आहे, म्हणजे त्याचा ऑर्डर 2 आहे. मग ऑर्डर 2 आहे म्हणून 7 चा स्क्वेअर करणार. मग 7 चा स्क्वेअर किती येतो 49, म्हणून ते स्क्वेअर रूट साइन मध्ये टाकले 49. नंतर हे रूट स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये 2 आहेतच, मग इथे स्क्वेअर रूट मधले 2 लिहिले. आता दोघांची ऑर्डर सेम आहे, याची पण ऑर्डर 2 आहे, याची पण ऑर्डर 2 आहे. पण दोघांचे ऑर्डर सारखे म्हणून यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं. 49 गुणिले 2 यांचा गुणाकार करा. 2 9 18, 18 चे 8 हातचा 1, 2 चौक 8, 8 ने 1 9, म्हणून इथे स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 98 आलं. कुणाला शंका आहे स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 98 बद्दल? मग आता बघा, आता स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 98 कळलं असेलच अशी मला म्हणजे गॅरंटी वाटते. 5 इंटू रूट 3 आहे. आता इथे 5 हा त्याचा कोएफिशियंट आहे. या रूट 3 ची ऑर्डर किती आहे 2. मग 5 चा काय करणार आपण वर्ग. ऑर्डर 2 आहे म्हणजे वर्ग करणार. 5 चा वर्ग, ऑर्डर 3 असतं तर घन केलं असतं. ऑर्डर 2 आहे म्हणून 5 चा वर्ग. मग 5 चा वर्ग किती येतो 25, म्हणून इथे 25 लिहिलं, रूट मध्ये 25 लिहिलं आणि हे रूट 3 तसेच. मग स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 25 इंटू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 3. मग 25 इंटू 3 व्हॉट यू गेट. 25 into 3 75. So square root of 75. So square root of 98 is greater than square root of 75. So square root of 98 what you get 7 root 2. So here is I write 7 root 2. Then 5 root 3. What is that you are get root 75. So when it is simplified you get root 75. So here is write 5 root 3. 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3 because it is 98, it is 75. 98 is always greater than 75. So 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Then we are going to learn another problem that is given to you and that can be seen on a screen. What is order 2? What is order 2? So order of both number are 2 2. So it is only comparing the square root numbers. So which is the square root number 247? which is the square root number 274. So order is 2. In this problem order is 2. So both having order same 2 2. So order are same. So we are comparing the square root numbers. So which is the square root number 247? Which is the square root number 274? So which is greater number? 274 is greater. So you get that answer. This 247 is smaller than 274. It is very simple problem for us because here order is same. We are only comparing the roots number which is having 247 and 274. That number we are only compare, and in that comparison 274 is greater. So 247 is smaller than 274. Okay, then we are going to learn problem number 3rd. What is it? 2 coefficient root 7 and root 28. Okay, so these are the two numbers is given to you. Root 28 is given, and here is 2 coefficient of root 7. So this is the 2 is the coefficient, so that must be simplified. So here is the order is 2 here. What is the order? 2. Because not given, so order is 2. Order is 2, so we can do the square of 2. So what is the square of 2? So the square of 2 is root 4. 2 square is 4. So here is write in the square root sign 4. How is this 4 you are getting? So see here order is 2. Order is 2, so we are doing the square of this number. So 2 square. So we are getting the 2 square is 4. So square root means 2 square is equal to, you get root 4. And this root 7 is remain as it is. Here is order 2. Here is order 2. Both having the same order. So we are multiplying. 4 7s are. So what is the 4 7s are? So 4 7s are 28. So here is, you get the answer 28. See, 2 root 7 simplifying, you get root 28, and here this is compared with root 28. So both are same. 2 root 7 is equal to root 28, and that you want to compare with root 28. Who is greater and who is smaller? Both are same, because 2 root 7 answer is root 28. How it is root 28? 2 square. 2 square is 4. So here is right root 4. Then root 7. 4 into 7 28. So we are getting root 28. So 2 root 7 simplifying, you get root 28. Both are same, so equal. Since 28 is equal to 28, so they are equal. Root 28 is equal to root 28. So 2 root 7 is equal to root 28. Then we are going to learn problem number 4. 5 coefficient root 5. 7 coefficient root 2. What is the order here? 2. Order is 2. So 5 square root 5. So see, 5 into root 5. Okay. So this indices is 2. Order is 2. Order is 2. So we can do the square of this 5. So the square of this 5 is 25. So I write square root in the square root sign 25. Are you know how can you get 25? 5 square. This 5 square. Why square? Because order is 2. Order is 2, so that is the indices of this number. So 5 indices 2 means 5 square. 5 square is equal to what? 25. So it is right into the square root sign 25. Into another number is right into the root 5. So 25 into 5. What you get? 25 into 5, 125. So it is 125. Simplifying 5 root 5. Then we want to simplify 7 into root 2. That you want to simplify. 7 square. So 7 square is what? 7 square is 49. See, 7 root 2. So 7 square, because it is order is 2. Order is 2, so we can do the square of 7. So 7 square. 7 square is equal to what? 49. So here is I write 49. Okay. Into root 2. That root 2 is given. Are you understand how I can get 49? See, root 2. Order is 2. Order is 2, so we can do the square of this number. Which number? 7 number. So 7 square is equal to what? 49. So here is we get 49. 7 square. Root 2 is remain as it is. 49 into 2. 2 9s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 98. Here is you get square root 125 and here is you get square root 98. So 100 and order is same 2. Here is order is same 2. So square root number comparing 125 is greater than 98. So 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. Because here we are comparing this 125 and 98 number. So when we are comparing 125 and 98 number, so 125 is greater than 98. So when which numbers square root we are getting 125, that is the 5 root 5. So this 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. So that is written here, root 125 is greater than root 98. So that we are getting from 5 root 5 greater than 7 root 2. Anyone doubts in this problem? I hope that you are understand this problem. Then we are going to see problem number 5. So see, 4 coefficient root 42, 9 coefficient root 2. So these are the pairs given in this pair. I mean, this is the first problem, this is the second problem. So in this problem, which number is greater and which number is smaller, that you want to find out. So first 4 into root 42. 42's order is 2. Order is 2, so 4 square. So 4 square is equal to 16. So see, 4 into coefficient of 42. Okay, 4 into coefficient of 42. So 4 square. So 4 square is 16. So here is we write square root of 16. Are you understand how can get square root of 16? That is the order is 2. So 4 square. So 4 square is equal to what you get? 16. So root 16 into root 42. So into root 42. 16 into 42. 16 2s are 32. 3. 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 3, 67. So we are getting answer 672. So 4 into 4 coefficient root 42, that is simplify. 4 square is 16. Root 42 remain as it is. 16 into root 42, you are getting 672. So that is simplification of this number. Then 9 into root 2. So what is the order here? 2. So we are doing the square of 9. So 9 square is 81. See, 9 coefficient root 2. So what is the order? 2. So we are do the square of 9. 9 square is 81. So I write here 81 into root 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 162. So 672 and 162. We are comparing this. So you know that 672 is a greater number than 162. So 672 is greater than 162. So we are right, square root of 672 is greater than square root of 162. So which number square root of 672 we are getting? 4 root 42. So here is right 4 root 42 and here is comparing with 9 root 2. So 4 root 42 is greater than 9 root 2. We are going to learn problem number 6. See, 5 root 3. Here is given only 5 root 3. So what is the order of 3? Order of 3 is 2. So what can we do? We can do the square of 5. So square of 5 is equal to what you get? 25. So here is right root 25. Okay. 5 square. So you can write here root 25. So root 25 into root 3. So root 25 into root 3 you are getting root 75. So that is the answer, root 75. So that compare with 9. So 9 square is 81. Because they are given in problem 5 root 3 and 9. And they are said compare which is greater. So 5 root 3 is you are simplifying 5 square 25. So you are right here 25. Root 3 remain as it is. 25 into 3 75. So square root of 75 you are getting. Then another number 9. So that 9 square we are doing. So what is the 9 square? So 9 square is 89. So that is written in the square root sign 81. So we are compare 75, we are 75 and we are compare 81. So 81 is greater, okay, than 75. So 9 is greater, 75 is smaller than 81. So root 75 is smaller than 81. So root 75 you are getting 5 root 3. So 5 root 3 is smaller than 9. Okay. Then we are going to learn last problem in this lectures. Today's lectures last problem we want to learn. This practice set is very bigger. So see here 7 and another number 2 root 5. 7 and another number 2 root 5. So we can do the square of this 7. 7 square is equal to what you get? 49. Okay, see 7. We are doing the square of this number. 7 square is 49. Then we are taking this solve to this problem. 2 root 5. So 5. What is the order of 5? 2. Order of 5 is 2. So 2 square. 2 square is equal to what? 4. So see 2 coefficient root 5. So 5 order is 2. So we are doing the square of this 2. So 2 square. So 2 square is equal to what you get? Root 4. So here is I write root 4 into root 5. So 4 into 5. What you get? 4 into 5? 4 5 are 20. So we are getting root 20. So here is getting answer root 20. So root 20 order is 2. Root 49 order is 2. Order is same. So order are same. So we are comparing the square root number. Square root number 49. Square root number 20. So which is a greater? 49. 49 is greater than 20. So here is written 49 is greater than 20. So we can write root 49 is greater than 20. So which number root 49 you are getting? 7. So 7 is greater than 2 root 5. Okay. Such a way this problem is completed and today's lectures problems are completed. Remaining problems we are learn tomorrow. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So that homework is given to you on a screen. So please solve this homework and send me on my WhatsApp numbers. And if any queries, if any doubts you have, you also call me on my WhatsApp numbers. Okay. So if you like this lecture, then like it, subscribe it, and if already you are subscribed, then share this video with your friend which is learn in 9th class and say them to subscribe this channel. Stay home, stay safe and study hard. Okay, have a nice time.